Hello everyone. Today we'll begin with our book Pebbles of Grammar of Class 4 by Galaxy Publications. Hello everyone. We'll begin with our new chapter, that is chapter number 14, Future Simple Tense. A very interesting chapter, another interesting one. The future simple tense, what it is actually used to talk about an action that will happen sometime in the future. फ्यूचर सिंपल टेंस जो है हम इसके बारे में तब यूज करते हैं या इसको हम तब यूज करते हैं जब हम बात कर रहे हो किसी चीज की जो कि आने वाले कल में होने वाली है. इट इज अबाउट टू हैपन समटाइम इन द फ्यूचर. लुक एट दीज सेंटेंसेस नाउ. ही विल अप्लाई फॉर द जॉब. आई शैल लीव फॉर शिमला ऑन मंडे. She will help you in the kitchen. They will come here tomorrow. I will write a letter to my father. Now in all these sentences, they are talking about something that is about to happen in the future, tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow. In the future simple tense, we use will and shall and the base form of the verb. So what we have used is will or shall and the base form of the verb. The structure will be likewise. First we will write the subject, then we'll write will or shall and then the base form of the verb. Then the next. Generally we shall use shall with I and we. हम shall का यूज करते हैं I और we के साथ. Whereas for the other sentences we always use will. In negative sentences we add not after will and shall. हम will और shall के बाद not यूज करते हैं कब? Negative sentences में. Structure: subject plus will and shall plus not plus the base form of the verb. Now look at these sentences. I shall not invite them. We shall not attend the party. They will not bathe in the pool. The hunter will not go deep into the forest. Now in the question form again we put will and shall where? Before the subject. Like it always used to happen that we are using the helping verb, whether it is, are, am, was, were or will or shall. In question or interrogative sentences, we always use these helping verbs before the subject. And here in simple future tense, we use the base form of the verb. Let's now move to the next page. Now look at these sentences given over here. The questions are, shall I attend the party? In this sentence, shall is used before the subject and then we have the base form of the verb. Next sentence, will you attend the party? And they are ending along with a question mark at the end. Will you lend him your bike? Again a question mark at the end. Why will Sonali attend the party? Again a question mark. In the end there is a misprint. You will put a question mark at the last. So these are what? These are all the questions form of simple future tense. Let's now do the exercises quickly. Question number A of this practice question says, fill in the blanks with future simple tense of the verbs which are given in the brackets. So the first sentence is, we dash the picnic on the beach. Now we use shall with I and we. So first of all we will write here shall, we shall, and then we will use the base form of the verb. So what will be the verb here? We will write here enjoy. We shall enjoy the picnic on the beach. Then the next one, the sun, we will write here will. The sun will rise at 5:30 a.m. tomorrow. Then the next one, the train will arrive at the station on time. Fourth one, then we'll write here shall brew coffee for father. Fifth one, she will grow up to be a very beautiful girl. Sixth is Vishal will take part in the boat race tomorrow. The bride will go to Paris for shopping. We shall go on a cruise next morning or next month. My mother will bake a cake for the party. The last one, my father will buy a bicycle for me. With this, we have completed the question. Let's now move to the next question, that is the B question. The B question says, make questions with future simple tense using the question words. We have to use the words and we have to make simple future tense. What? I will begin with what. So let's make the first sentence. What will he do tomorrow? Why? Now when I am writing why and if I am using I or we, I will write here shall. Why shall I read a book and a question mark? Where will you have your breakfast? And again a question mark. Then when will she dance? Whose book will she read? Here the noun is given over here, whereas the subject is actually she. So we are using in that same format as I told you, will, she and read. That means our helping verb, then the subject and then the verb, main verb. Whom will you marry tomorrow? Whom will you marry tomorrow? Here the word marry is the verb. That is the base form of the verb. You is the subject. Will is the helping verb. So here we have completed. Let's now move quickly to the next page. The C question on the next page says that we have to change the following sentences into negative sentences, and the first one is I shall go for a long drive, and the negative sentence for it will be I shall not go for a long drive and a full stop. Then the second one, we will bathe in the river. The negative sentence will be we will not bathe in a river. and a full stop. The monkey will steal those bananas, and the sentence will be, the monkey will not steal those bananas. And a full stop. Then the fourth one is, Daddy will leave for Pune tomorrow, and the negative sentence will be, Daddy will not leave for Pune tomorrow. And a full stop at the last. Now the last sentence is, the lion will rest under a tree, and what will be the negative sentence? The negative sentence will be, the lion will not rest under a tree. And a full stop. So with this we have completed the C question also, the last question of this chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter. Keep going through the chapter, keep doing the exercises. Until then, take care. Thanks for watching the video. Take care and goodbye, and stay tuned till the next video.